So here we're given three system equations and we're asked to solve for x and y. First one is x plus y equal to 24, x minus y equal to 18. The easiest way is to add them, and that would eliminate the y terms because we have a plus and a minus y. This gives me 2x is 24 plus 18, which is 42. So x would be half of 42, which is 21. So we know x is 21. We can just replace it here to solve for y. And y would be 24 minus 21, which is 3. So x is 21, y is 3, and we can check. They add up to 24, and their difference is indeed 18. B is 3x minus y equal to minus 5, and x plus 2y equal to 3. So I need to somehow combine these so I can eliminate one of the variables and solve for the other. I have a minus y here and a plus 2y, but if I add them, I don't eliminate the y term. So I'm going to double the first term, which becomes 6x minus 2y equal to minus 10. Keep the second equation the way it is. Now if I add them, the y terms will drop out. I get 7x equal to minus 10 plus 3, which is minus 7, which means x is minus 7 over 7, which is minus 1. So we have x. I can replace x here to find y. Minus 1 plus 2y equal to 3. 2y becomes, I add 1 to both sides, is 4. Y is equal to 2. And I can check this solution, x and y, by substituting in the first one. 3 times minus 1 minus y. And the question is that minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 is indeed equal to minus 5. So this is the correct solution. The last one, C, is 15x minus 18 minus 2y minus 3x plus y. So first I'm going to simplify each one, and by that I mean combine like terms. Add 3x to both sides, it becomes 18x. And then subtract y from both sides, so I get 18x minus 18 minus 3y equal to 0. Add 18 to the other side. So I'm writing it in the form where you have the x and y terms on one side and the numbers on the other side. And then I notice that each number is divisible by 3, so I can divide both sides by 3. And here when I divide an expression with a minus, and I have to divide each term, meaning both 18x and 3y. That gives me 6x minus y equal to 6. So that's the first equation. Now the second equation, I'm going to simplify it in the same fashion, combining like terms. So subtract 4x from both sides, so that becomes 6x. And we have plus 20 equal to 2. Subtract 20 from both sides, and we get 6x plus 7y equal to minus 18. So this is my system of equations. And I notice a 6x and 6x, so if I were to subtract them, I know that the 6x terms would drop out. I'm going to write this one at the bottom, and if I subtract the bottom one from the top, the x terms drop out, and I'm left with 7y minus y, because this minus would actually become plus, and then minus 18 minus 6. This is 8y, and on this side I have minus 24. So y is minus 24 over 8, which is minus 3. So I know the value of y. I'm going to replace that here to find the corresponding value of x. 6x minus 3 is equal to 6, which means 6x plus 3 equal to 6. It becomes 6x is equal to, I subtract 3, and so x is 3 over 6, which is just half. So the solution here is x is half, and y is equal to minus 3.